All right, good morning. I'm sorry I can't be there. Hopefully this will help you through today's lesson. We're looking at volume of shapes. As you can tell, the first shape here is a sphere. And looking at the volume of a sphere. So this is how much space it contains. That formula is 4/3 pi times r cubed. 4/3 pi r cubed. So make sure that when you are calculating this, you have the radius, not the diameter. If you look at number 1, it's a problem I'm going to solve. We are given the diameter of that sphere, and we need the radius. So we need to divide that by 2. And that's going to be 4.3 feet. So the volume of that sphere is equal to is 4/3 times 3.14. I know this writing's not the best. Times the radius, 4.3 cubed. I really kind of recommend working this backwards. Do the 4.3 cubed, get an answer, multiply that by 3.14, then multiply by 4, finally divide by 3. And you will come out with what we hope is a correct answer. If you double check my math on this with a calculator, it should have been SPH, that should equal 382, sorry, that should be 332. Let me erase. Can't read my own notes. That should be 332.9. And the units for volume are cubed, feet cubed. So that is our answer. If we move down, we have a box, also known as a rectangular prism. Write that out for you, rectangular prism. So when we say rectangular prism, we are talking about a box. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to write volume of a box, so I don't have to write out rectangular prism again. This is equal to length times width times height. So this is the easy one. So the length is equal to, I'm just going to say the length is 8. I'm going to call the width 4 and the height also 4. We will multiply all those together. We get 128, and the units are kilometers cubed. Use RP for rectangular prism. Moving on down to the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared, which you should recognize as the area of a circle. So you have a circle here on this end, times the length of that cylinder. So 3.14 times, and here they did give us the radius, not the diameter, so that is 4 squared, times the length is 2. So this is equal to, when you multiply it out, you can double check my math, 100.5, and the units are centimeters cubed. And that takes care of what you should be working on today. You are working the even problems. And we are getting prepared for a test. The test is coming up pretty quick. We'll finish this up. We'll check our answers. We'll do a little bit of review of everything we've covered, and then we'll talk about what your test is going to look like. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you soon. And that's it for now. Over and out.